Hello everyone. If you have just received your StarLink Wi-Fi kit and are eager to get it up and running, this guide is for you. I'll take you through the entire setup process step by step. So now let's get started. Start by unboxing your StarLink kit. Inside you will find dish, a stand, a router, and the cables. Now make sure everything is present and in good condition. Now place the dish on its stand and choose a location with a clear view of the sky, free from obstructions like trees or buildings. Now take the provided cable and connect one end to the dish and the other end to the router. Plug the router into a power outlet. Ensure all connections are secure before proceeding. Next, download the StarLink app from the Google Play or App Store. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your phone to the router's network. The app will guide you in positioning the dish for optimal satellite connection. Now once the app confirms a good connection, set up your Wi-Fi network name and password. This will secure your connection and allow you to connect your devices to your new StarLink network. And that's it. Your StarLink Wi-Fi is now ready to use. Now if you enjoyed this guide, please leave a like and subscribe.